You can never get enough of this Korean omelette because it's super delicious. It's loaded with lots of veggies, high in protein, and it's perfectly cooked. Wow. All the veggies are crunchy and the ketchup balances out the omelette. You're going to prep up your fresh ingredients ahead, and I have some carrot, red capsicum, zucchini, we have an onion. Also for the recipe, I'm going to be using some brawn, which I've chopped up into small pieces, eggs, salt, cooking oil, and some spicy kick to the rolled omelette. You're going to need a bowl. So you're going to crack in your eggs, and I'm going to be using a small bowl to crack in my eggs and transfer to my big bowl because I want to make sure all the eggs are fresh. I'm using 8 eggs for the recipe. You can double or triple the ingredients to make some more rolled omelets. Into my bowl, I'm going to be adding in my fresh ingredients, and I'm going to start off with my onion, which I've finely chopped up. Add in 1 large carrot that I've finely chopped, some red capsicum and zucchini, which are chopped up the same size as the carrot so that they can cook evenly. Add in my brawn. Add in some salt to season the omelette. That is around a 1/4 teaspoon. Then I'm going to crack in some white peppercorns, black peppercorns, and chilies. Just a touch. Use a fork and whisk the eggs together with the fresh ingredients until fully combined. Then you're going to need a non-stick pan, which you're going to be using to make your omelette, because it's going to be very easy for you to flip the omelette or to cook the omelette. So mine is ready. I'm going to place over medium-low flame. Then I'm going to add in a teaspoon of cooking oil. You need just a touch of oil because you're using a non-stick pan. Spread the oil in the pan, and I'm going to be using a third cup to scoop out my eggs and transfer into the pan. Once the cooking oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add in 2 third cups of my egg mixture. Wait for around 20 seconds or until the egg is fully cooked. Then you're going to tightly fold your omelette just like this. Once you're done folding your eggs just like this, you're going to add in another cup of your egg mixture. Spread. Add in a little bit more. Wait for around 20 seconds. Then you're going to fold your egg once more, just like this. Add in a teaspoon more of cooking oil. Then I'm going to add in my egg mixture into the pan. Repeat until you're done with the rest of the egg mixture. This looks absolutely gorgeous. And once done, I'm going to carefully transfer your rolled omelette on a chopping board to rest a little bit while you make the next omelette. So I'm going to place my pan over medium flame. And then I'm going to repeat the same process by adding in a teaspoon of cooking oil, waiting for around 10 seconds. The pan is still hot. Then I'm going to add in my egg mixture. This is going to be a small omelette because we have some leftover egg mixture. Spread the eggs. And then wait for the eggs to cook, which is going to take around 10 to 20 seconds. This is how my rolled omelette is looking, and as you can see, we have a gorgeous brownish color. The veggies are cooked, and also the egg is perfectly, not the egg, the omelette is perfectly cooked. So I'm going to use a knife and slice into the omelette just to check how it's looking on the inside. Adding the rest of the egg mixture, then I'm going to repeat by spreading the eggs just like this and let everything cook. Nice, just look at that. Then I'm going to cook each side for around 10 seconds. And this is how your rolled omelette should be looking, and it's perfectly cooked and looking gorgeous. Just look at those beautiful layers. Pick my second omelette, then I'm going to cut into pieces because we're going to be sharing as a family. And just look at that, it's perfectly cooked and looking incredible. So this is a nice and simple way to enjoy some elegant breakfast. If you're looking forward to be over the top there, you can try out making this Korean omelette. Yum.